Do you know, in case of a healthy person, there are 72 beats of heart per minute. Rate of heartbeat increases due to physical exercise and emotions. Similarly, it has been observed that it decreases during rest and sleep. Number of beats is more in case of infants. Two types of sounds are heard during heartbeat. One is described as lub and other as dub. Heart pumps about 75 ml of blood during each beat. Blood circulation through heart, functioning of heart. Process of pumping the blood towards various parts of the body and bringing it back towards the heart is called as blood circulation, so as to maintain the continuity in circulation. Heart alternately contracts and relaxes. Consecutive single contraction and relaxation of heart constitutes a single heartbeat. Try this. Material: 2 feet long rubber tube with small aperture, stopwatch, funnel. First, fit a funnel at one end of rubber tube. Second, keep the wide mouth of funnel on left side of thorax. Third, bring the other end of tube near the ear to hear the sound. Fourth, record the number of beats per minute using stopwatch. The number of heartbeats recorded may range between 60 to 100 beats per minute. The number of heartbeats may vary depending upon the activity. If it is recorded while doing strenuous exercise, the heartbeat per minute may increases, whereas during sleep it may decrease. Think about it. Pulse. Find correlation between heartbeats and pulses felt at wrist. Answer: pulse is a pressure wave that travels through the arteries after contraction of heart. Heart rate is the number of times the heart beats in a minute. Third, the pulse rate measures the increase in the rate of palpable blood pressure through the body. Fourth, the pulse rate is exactly equal to the heartbeat, as the contractions of the heart causes blood pressure in arteries to increase. This leads to a noticeable pulse. Therefore, checking the pulse is a direct measure of heartbeat. Can you tell? We can feel the pulse behind the ears and near the heel of foot. How these pulses occur? Answer: during circulation, heart pumps blood which is pushed into the arteries, causing them to expand and contract response to the flow of blood. Second, the pressure of blood against the wall of an artery is felt as pulse. Therefore, pulses can be felt behind the ear and near the heel of foot. Question number 2. What flows out when we have an injury? Answer: blood flows out when we have an injury, that is, the blood vessels are injured. Blood. Blood is a red colored fluid material. It is fluid connective tissue. The oxygenated blood is deep red colored, salty in taste, and its pH is 7.4. Blood is composed of mainly two components, plasma and blood cells. Let's study about plasma first. Plasma. A. Plasma is pale yellow, clear and slightly alkaline fluid. It contains 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins, 1 to 2% inorganic salts and other components. B. Albumin. Albumin distributes the water all over the body. Globulins, that is protection. D. Fibrinogen and prothrombin help in blood clotting process. Inorganic ions, that is calcium, sodium, potassium, control the function of muscles and nerves. Blood cells. Red blood corpuscles, that is RBCs. Small circular enucleated cells. These cells appear red due to hemoglobin. Oxygen dissolves in blood due to hemoglobin. 50 to 60 lakh RBCs are present in each cubic millimeter of blood. RBCs are produced in red bone marrow and live for about 100 to 127 days. Second, white blood cells, WBCs. These are large, nucleated and colorless cells. 5,000 to 10,000 WBCs are present per millimeter cube of blood. 5 types of WBCs are present: basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes and lymphocytes. WBCs are produced in red bone marrow. WBCs act as soldiers in our body. Function of WBC: these cells attack the pathogens entering our body. They protect us from the microbial diseases. Third is the platelets. These are extremely small and dish-shaped. 2.5 to 4 lakh platelets are present per millimeter cube of blood. Function: platelets participate in blood clotting process.